So let's talk about no-code and low-code platforms, the magical tools that promise to make everyone a developer without actually learning how to code. Basically, they are visual environments where you can drag, drop, and pray it works. Technically, they've been around since 1990s. Think Microsoft Access or Dreamweaver. But the term really took off in 2010s when companies realized hiring developers was expensive and slow. Then came the cloud era, automation hype, and boom, now we're building apps by connecting boxes with arrows. Sure, it's fast and great for prototyping, but let's be honest. Once you hit a real problem, you still need that one poor developer to fix that no code mess.
The advancement of low code, no code platforms, or LCNCs, has definitely shaken up the software development world in the past few decades. LCNC platforms have made it possible for practically anyone to build an application. For developers, this can be seen as a mix of both relief and horror. Sure enough, these platforms allow for much easier handling of the more mundane tasks such as dealing with forms, dashboards, and databases, thus allowing developers to be able to focus on the more integral and complex logic. Even interns can develop apps now, but LCNCs also invite chaos, applications built by people who aren't aware of what a version control system is. As more businesses take on LCNCs, IT departments must also establish governing frameworks to maintain oversight. This is to prevent security vulnerabilities and inefficiencies that affect a product or performance. Companies love them because they're quick, easy to use, and cheap, whereas developers often have to tolerate them. They blur the line between a developer and your average Joe.
Today, I'm comparing no code and low code. Why teams use them? They deliver simple apps and workflows fast with visual builders, less manual testing, and managed hosting that give faster time to market, lighter maintenance, and automatic updates. Great for internal tools, forms, dashboard, and process automation. They also increase business agility by letting products and operation iterate with IT rather than waiting in a queue. But speed has a price. There is vendor lock-in. You often don't own the source code. They are future limits, unique logic, complex integration, or high performance can exceed the platform. And there is governance risk. Ungoverned citizen apps can create security or complex gaps. In my conclusion, choose no low code for MVPs, prototypes, pilots, and internal system. Choose traditional code for core, highly customized, or performance critical products.